food mo ay sure? Mango, tokwa, and potato, and rice. Dagdagan naman, te. Wow. That's mango.
I love your menu.
That's potato. Yum. It's yummy. Oh, one by one lang. One lang. Okay, share water. Oh, eat your rice. Potato pa rin. Favorite niya talaga yan. No. Hindi mo kailangan kuhain lahat. Oh, one lang, one. Yan. Okay? Alright, it's your rice. Yummy. Wow, ate, oh, look, oh.
Wow, very
Wow,
good.
okay, it's your rice.
He's eating.
Try mo to, nak. This one. Naka-potato talaga siya. May subo lahat. Favorite mo talaga yun. Inuna niya talaga yung potato. Oops. Uh-oh.
Hindi niya favorite ang potato.
Huwag niyo ubusan na. Kasi yun ang kinain niya. O, rice, ano? You have to eat rice para lumaki. Ayan, mango. Eat your mango. Here. Wow. Wow. This one. Oh, kagat ikaw. Oh. Ito mo to. Oh, here. Try mo yung dakwa. Kagat. Ayan. Oh, hawak.
Parang muna dito. May kakain muna.
Yummy. Yummy, Asher. Okay naman sa kanya. Balat. Mango. Ay. Eat na, Asher, eat. Ayan, eat mo yan. No, you eat na. Ay, oh. Eat na daw. Patingin daw paano kumain si Asher. Yay! Hi! Say hi muna. Bye-bye na. Say bye-bye. Bye!